All right, hey, this is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. I got some special for you today. I want to help you find out what the negative information is on your credit reports by giving you a free credit summary. Before we get started, I want everyone to say this here because I know this is needed someone needs this. Uh, we are dealing right now. If you saw the emails that are coming in to my office, you would know that that I just know that this is needed. Some one of you or a group of you need to say this to yourself so you can be able to make it through the day. So number one is I determine who I am. I control my attitude. I control my reaction to my fears. I control my reactions to my successes. I take full responsibility for my life, and I am grateful to be alive today. Say that, repeat it. Uh, Someone needs it, and I know a lot of people, just from what I've been seeing with emails, what people are, uh, sending me and the staff, that a lot of you are, uh, feel that you're not in a really good situation. I'm here to tell you that you will make it through it. Is that you just gotta, buckle down and just push your way through it. All right. What we have here is a free, that's right, free credit score, free credit report summary. No credit card is required. We tried out this service, it does work good. You'll be able to see what collections or what negative information is on your credit report so you can decide if you want to have us work on it or you can work on it. And it's going to tell you some more information that you can utilize to help you out. So again, this is where you can get a free score, free credit report summary. No credit card is required. It's 100% free. All you have to do is punch in your information and you can get it. And then if you want to work with us, you can share that with us and we can get started working on repairing your credit. All right. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different, so you can see my two-phase settlement process and my 8-point validation credit repair process. The link to this will be below this video, so make sure you click it. I want to give you this information. This is a deal that a company came to us and said, "Hey, we'd like to let your viewers check out this service. It's 100% free. No credit card is required. They're going to get a free score and a free credit report summary so you can see the negative information on your credit reports." All right, take it easy.